पुन्हा एका नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं सहर्ष स्वागत। आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्लास 10 सब्जेक्ट सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 1 टेस्ट नंबर 2 ऑफ सेतू सोडवणार आहोत। तत्पूर्वी अजूनपर्यंत जर आमचे चॅनल सबस्क्राइब केले नसल्यास आजच आमचे चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा। चला तर व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया।
Let's start. Question number 1. Solve any 5. It have 5 mark. And from this question number 1, in which A and B question are given, we have to write only one, A or B. A question is, graphite is used to make carbon electrode. And explanation of this question is, graphite is a allotrope of carbon. Inside the graphite layer, many free electrons move freely from atom to atom. These free electrons conduct electricity. Therefore, graphite is used to make carbon electrodes. And question B, why concave mirror are used in solar device? And reason behind this is, concave mirror converges the light rays. Sun rays reflected by a concave mirror came together in a focal plane, due to which heat of sun rays are concentrated on one point. Second, write an explanation, any one. We have given 3 definitions: work, potential difference and power. You have to write only one definition. Work, and its definition is, work is said to be done when a force applied on a object causes displacement of the object. Potential difference, and its definition is the difference in potential between the positive and negative terminal of a cell is called potential difference of the cell. And power. Power's definition is, power is the rate at which work is done. Question number 3. Write the formula of the mirror. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Here U is object distance, V is image distance and F is focal length. Question number 4. Write type of bond is there in a saturated compound, and the answer of this question is single covalent bond. And which is the smallest carbon? Hydrocarbon. And the answer of this is methane, that is CH4 is the smallest hydrocarbon. Question number 5. First observe the figure, and then question is, which is the following is a component of this symbol? And the above symbol is of electric cell. 6th question, what is the type of bulb connection? The diagram we have to observe, and the diagram showing series system or series combination. 7. If the angle between two mirrors is 120 degree, what is the number of image obtained? For this answer, we have to write a formula. N is equal to 360 degree upon A is the angle, and minus 1. In this formula, we put A is equal to 120 degrees. Therefore, we get answer 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That is, 2 images are formed when angle between two mirrors is 120. Question number 8. In which two different compounds of carbon found? And carbon is found in two different forms, that is crystalline form and non-crystalline forms. And question number 2. Solve the following sub-question. We have to solve only 5 questions and it have total 10 marks. question number 1. In question number 1, we have given a diagram. We have to put symbol in that diagram. The symbol of the component to be connected in an electrical circuit are given in the table. Complete the circuit by adding it in the right place in the figure. Which rule can be proved with the help of the above circuit? And the diagram we completed, we have seen first is resistance, then electric cell we have drawn here. Here we drawn electric cell. The ammeter we have drawn here, and symbol of voltmeter we have drawn here, and this key, that is close key, we have drawn here, and the last is the variable resistance we have drawn here. And this whole diagram show a rule. That rule is Ohm's rule. Ohm's rule can be proved with the help of the above diagram. Question number 2. Write the answer to the question. First of all, we have to see a diagram which is shown in a question. Then follow the question after seeing diagram. And question number 1. Where is the object? The object AB. AB is an object placed in between principal focus and center of curvature of the mirror. This is the object which is placed between principal focus and center of curvature. And the question number 2, what is the location and nature of the image? Then nature and the location we have to see diagram. This is the image. Image is in front of center of curvature. This is center of curvature and image is in front of center of curvature. And the nature of this image is, it is a real image and it is inverted and it is larger than the object. Question number 3. What does a given experiment look? Explain the reason behind this. Look at the experiment, then answer. Experimental figures show that colorless lime water converted into milky white by blowing air from the mouth. That colorless lime water converted into milky white. And reason behind this is, when air was blown in a lime water, CO2 from air react with the lime water and form insoluble white precipitate of CaCO3. Question number 4. Which gas is released in a fire extinguisher, and characteristic of such fire extinguisher, and state the uses. In fire extinguisher, CO2 gas release, and characteristic of this extinguisher are, it do not cause corrosion and are non-conductor of electricity. And uses of this extinguisher are, CO2 based fire extinguisher are used to extinguish fire caused by electrical motor and electrical gadget. It is used to extinguish small scale fire also. Question number 5. Explain the difference, in which we have given 2 questions and we have to write only 1. First difference is kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy, potential energy. First point of difference is the energy of which an object has because of its motion is called kinetic energy. And the second point of potential energy is the energy stored in an object because of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. And second point is related with their formula. Ke, that is kinetic energy, is equal to half mv square, and potential energy Pe is equal to mgh. Conductor and insulator, first point of difference is the substance which have very low resistance are called conductor. The substance which have extremely high resistance are called insulator. Second point, current can be easily flow through the conductor. Current cannot flow through insulator. And the example of conductor are copper and aluminium, and example of insulator are plastic and rubber. Question number 6. What will happen if an electric current is started in a circuit in the experiment in the figure? What substance is the pencil and what property of it are found in the experiment? And the answer is, if an electric current is started in a circuit in the experiment, bulb get illuminated, and the substance used in a pencil is graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. This property was found in this experiment. Question number 7. Write the rule of radiation from the figure. First, we have to observe the figure and then write rule, and the rule 1 is related with the first figure. If an incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then reflected ray passes through the principal focus. Rule 2. If an incident ray passes through the principal focus of the mirror, the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. And the rule 3. If an incident ray passes through the center of curvature of the mirror, the reflected ray traces the same path but back. Question number 8. If 3 resistors of 15 ohm, 20 ohm and 10 ohm are connected in parallel, then derive the effective resistance in the circuit. R1 is 15 ohm, R2 is 20 ohm, R3 is 10 ohm. The formula of parallel resistance, effective parallel resistance is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Then put all the value of R1, R2, R3 in the formula and we get 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon 15 ohm plus 1 upon 20 ohm plus 1 upon 10 ohm. After solving this sum, we get Rp, that is effective resistance, is equal to 4.615 ohm. By this way, we completed our test of preparatory bridge test number 2, subject Science and Technology, part 1 of class 10. Thank you.